Hey guys, I'm back with another video and this is Monica here. Actually, I'm going for a lunch, a little family function type of a thingy. I thought let's shoot a get ready with me video. So if you want to know how I get ready family function, stay with me.
For the primer, I'm taking this MAC Prep and Prime and spraying all over my face. This is the best primer of all the time. It can make your makeup stick to your face all the time. And I'm taking this MAC foundation in the shade NC37. It has a SPF 15 in it and dotting all over my face. And I'm also applying it with my fingers only. I'm not using any kind of brush for this. And blending all over the face like so. And for the concealer, I'm taking this Revlon Photo Ready concealer. I'm in the shade medium light, and I'm creating a little triangle under my eyes like so, and on the other areas like my forehead and eyes as a primer, and on the bridge of my nose, cupid bow, and on the chin, and a little bit around my mouth because I have a little pigmentation going on there, and dabbing it with my fingers like so, and blending it with my foundation to make it look all natural. And next up, I'm taking this Gold Dust highlighter from Lakme and taking a eyeshadow brush and applying all over my eyelid, and I'm also creating a crease line with this. I'm applying on the eyelid as a eyeshadow base and taking this Inglow eyeshadow in the gold and applying it all over my lid. However, I broke the eyeshadow just now, as you can see, applying it all over my lid and dabbing it in a very light hand like so. And next up, taking the same highlighter and creating the crease, and also applying the same highlighter on the brow bones to highlight them like so. Now I'm taking this beautiful pink color from Inglow and applying it on the outer corners of my eyes, but with very light hand like so, because I didn't want very much pigmentation on the eyes, and I wanted to blend it with that golden color, applying it on the inner corner as well like so. And I'm taking the same golden color on my fingers and applying on the middle part of my eyes so that it can pop a little bit, because I have deep set eyes, so they need to pop up a little bit. And next up, I'm taking this Revlon Beyond Natural blush and bronzer and bronzing up my face with it so that I don't look like ghost anymore, and my face look all natural and sun-kissed and all those good things. I'm not going to contour my face, so I have to apply it where my contour has to be, all over my face and around the nose and the sides of the nose, of course. And for the blush, I'm taking this L'Oreal Magic blush. It's a beautiful trio and I'm in the shade Pink Fuchsia. It has a blush plus highlighter in it. The lightest color is a highlighter from it, and it gives a beautiful pink, natural pinky glow from within. So I don't need any highlighter on my cheeks. And I'm taking this Very Me eyeliner from Oriflame, and I'm filling my brows with it. It is actually an eyeliner, but I would like to fill my brows with it because it perfectly matches my brow colors, so I like it. And I'm taking this mascara from Estee Lauder. This is their volumizing mascara, and it is the best product of 2016, and I'm totally in love with it. I have done a video on the review of this mascara. You can check it out in the description box. And for the lipstick, I'm taking this beautiful pink color. It's Innocent Rose from Chambord. It's a liquid lipstick. It looks a bit shiny right now, but it is actually a matte lipstick. I'm not applying any eyeliner. This is the final look, and nothing fancy on the hair as well. And this is the dress of the day. Beautiful pink, green and purple color dress.